I'm going to go through with you a few things that sellers are most concerned about when they put their home on the market or approaching that time. These are real concerns, and what we do is work with our homeowners in advance to kind of allay their fears and concerns and go through these issues. But here are some of the things. People worry about the market conditions. Where are the interest rates going? Are the interest rates so high that buyers won't offer, that they won't look? Okay, that becomes a concern. Timing. People worry about the timing, and it is a very, very real concern. Timing meaning how long will it take to sell, and how would they time their purchase or their next move in coordination with the sale of this home. Okay, and there's some definitely good options, but it takes being aware of what the different options are and planning in advance so you don't get snagged. Another thing, home repairs. People worry about the expense and the effort of doing home repairs, but yet know they need to really stand out in the market. So what is worth doing, what isn't? And this is a very real concern, and it's something we go through with every homeowner to really see what will, in fact, make their home stand out against the competition. What's worth doing. It's not always that new kitchen, new bath. Sometimes it's simple improvements. People worry about uncertainty. What is coming? What's the future? None of us have a crystal ball. Do we expect a recession to come? Own things. So, a lot of times it's just seeing when your family or those moving with you are ready, in good position, job-wise, to make that move. Waiting for the perfect situation isn't always something we can see. So it's being realistic about the time to move. Negotiation and closing issues. And this is a real concern. And people should know it takes a very good agent to really work with them. And what we say is be proactive, preemptive. So we're not hit with these kind of issues. These are problems that could come up after you're in contract, that could stall, or they're trying to negotiate reductions in the sale price, reductions for repairs. So a good agent is on this process so that we don't come up against these issues at the very last moment when it can really cost more than it should. Being aware of these real impacts to a homeowner in their process and in their goal to get top dollar is important, and really sitting down and anticipating, seeing what the plan is, making certain improvements in advance that are worthwhile, very much important to calming your fears as you prepare to go on the market and get top dollar for your home.